Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So we are going to continue from our document from our previous episode. So now we are going to talk about bibliography. What bibliography actually is. It's a way for you to reference some other text, book or document from document or book you are currently working on. And how that actually works. Let me show you. I'm going to make some space in here and I'm going to write one paragraph. Okay, like this. So what this actually is, the first three books of Horus Heresy. Horus Heresy is one series in Warhammer 40k universe. So I'm going to mention three books from this series in here for this example, and in here you could see command site. Command site it's here to point towards bibliography, to point towards certain entries. So with site 0 we are going to point towards one book, with site 1 we are going to point toward another one, and with site 2 towards another one. So if I save this, you see, we are going to get these question marks, and our Latex is going to complain because we don't have a bibliography yet. Let's solve that part. So I'm going to use our appendices in order to create bibliography over there. So make some space in here. First thing that I'm going to do, I am to add contents line to show this bibliography into our table of content. Level is going to be chapter, and entry is going to be bibliography. In order to create bibliography, you have to use begin the bibliography and the bibliography. And now if you want to add a single element, you are going to add with command bib item, and with label we are actually going to provide text that is going to be shown in here, and with key we are going to create a reference. So if we are talking about first book, we are going to provide inside key 0, and here we are going to talk about a book called Horus Rising. And now we are going to create actual text. So first thing that we want to write in here, it's author. So it's Dan Abnett with 2 T's, comma, and now I'm going to emphasize this like this, and I'm going to write Horus Rising, and year it's 2006, year of publishing. Okay, second book, bib item, name of our second book it's False Gods, site key it's 1, author it's Graham McNeil, there is no comma in here but in here. Now emphasis, False Gods, also from 2006, and one more book, bib item, third book it's called Galaxy in Flames, site key is going to be 2, and author it's Ben Counter, comma, emphasis, Galaxy in Flames, from 2006 also. If I save this, okay, what's wrong? Ah, yes, we need another pair of squiggly brackets. Save it. Okay, now it's something else. So in order to split this part, I'm going to create section like this. Another books. Okay, save it. Okay, so now we have this paragraph with references. So the first three books of Horus Heresy are Horus Rising, False Gods, and Galaxy in Flames. And you probably noticed that there is no this side key. That is exact reason why we are using this option. So with option we are going to avoid printing this reference key. Instead we are going to print some label text to our section. And now if you go to appendices, you see that we have our bibliography in here. So we have Horus Rising, Dan Abnett, Horus Rising 2006. And another two books are following. And if you for some reason choose not to use this option, if we avoid using them, I'm going to show you what we are going to get. Like this. So we just have these side keys. So save it. You see, now we have only reference numbers. And what is with our section? Now we have only numbers that are going to point towards our bibliography. So guys, this is all about this subject. If you are satisfied with this content, please subscribe and see ya!